imagine your floors feeling actually clean. Not, I push dirty water around clean, but glassy, barefoot-approved clean. If you're tired of wrestling old-school mops, stay with me, because the right electric mop can literally cut your cleaning time in half. So here's what I am doing today. This is a real-world style countdown of the 6 best electric mops you can get right now, from number 6 all the way to number 1. By the end, you'll know exactly which mop fits your home, your mess, and your patience level. 6. AlfaBot S2 Cordless Spin Mop. On paper, it sounds really good. You get dual spinning pads, a built-in spray, LED headlights, and a cordless design, with up to around 60 minutes of runtime from a 2600 mAh battery, which is plenty for most apartments and small houses. When you first push it, it basically pulls itself forward thanks to those 200 RPM spinning pads, so you're not muscling in around the room. It glides over hardwood, tile, and laminate pretty easily, and the 400 milliliter water tank means you're not refilling every few minutes. For day-to-day dust, footprints, and light spills, it feels almost too easy. You just tap the spray button, let the pad scrub, and watch the haze on the floor disappear. But, well, once you start pushing it a bit harder, the budget side shows up. The S2 is fairly lightweight at about 1.7 kilograms, which sounds great until you hit dried-on kitchen gunk or something sticky near the stove. You know that moment where you're expecting the mop to dig in, and instead it just kind of skates on top of the stain? That happens. You can get it clean, but you may need a couple of passes and a bit of pressure from your arm, which sort of defeats the effortless vibe. The LED headlights are genuinely useful when you're cleaning under a couch or bed. You see dust you didn't even know existed, which is both satisfying and a little horrifying.
5. REECOO Cordless Electric Spin Mop. The REECOO is where things start to get more interesting and a bit more complicated. The big hook here is that it doesn't just clean your floors, it helps clean itself thanks to that automatic washing and dehydrating bucket system. You drop the mop head into the bucket, hit the function, and it spins the pads clean so you're not bent over rinsing them all the time. For anyone who hates dealing with gray mop water, that's a nice little sanity saver. In use, the actual mop is pretty capable. The pads spin at around 200 RPM, and the cordless design plus adjustable aluminum handle makes it pretty easy to snake under tables and into corners. The built-in water sprayer has decent reach, up to about 30 centimeters, so you can pre-wet an area before you even roll over it. The 2000 mAh battery gives you somewhere around 60 to 90 minutes of cleaning on a full charge, which is generous if you're just doing standard hard floor maintenance. For people with larger spaces, that runtime is a big plus. But here's what matters: living with the mop and the bucket as a system. On a good day, it feels pretty cool to just drop the head in, let it spin clean, and keep going with fresh pads. On a less good day, the whole setup can feel bulky. You've got the mop, the separate bucket, cords for charging, and a chunk of floor or closet space permanently dedicated to this station.
4. VMAI Cordless Electric Mop. This is where the list starts to feel genuinely refined. The first thing you notice is how easy it is to live with. The main mop is rechargeable with a detachable battery pack that takes about 3 hours to charge and then gives you up to about 60 minutes of dry mopping or 40 minutes of wet mopping. That's a realistic, usable window for a full clean, not just a quick spot job. Using it, you get that sweet spot between power and comfort. The dual spinning pads do the scrubbing for you, so instead of pushing and grinding, you're more guiding it around the room. The LED headlight helps you see dust and crumbs hiding along baseboards or under furniture, which is weirdly satisfying when you realize how much you've been missing with a regular mop. The handle is telescopic and adjustable, so you can dial in the length whether you're tall, short, or just trying to get under a bed without pretending you're in yoga class. One of the underrated perks is how many pads you get. VMAI usually includes multiple sets of mop pads in different colors, so when one pair gets too dirty mid-clean, you just peel them off, toss them in the wash, and slap on a fresh set. No waiting, no it's good enough with great pads you know should have been washed already. For anyone who cleans a lot or has pets and kids, that rotation is genuinely useful. 3. Elevate Prestige Electric Steam Mop. The Elevate Prestige changes the game a bit because now we're not just talking spin mops, we're talking steam. This thing is basically a multi-surface steam system disguised as a mop, with a 15-in-1 design aimed at cleaning floors, tiles, grout, and various above-floor surfaces. Instead of just water and pads, you're using high-temperature steam to blast away grime, which is great if you're into deeper sanitizing without always reaching for chemical cleaners. The head glides with up to around 15 scrubs per minute, combined with steam up to roughly 120 degrees Celsius. So sticky spots in kitchens and entryways loosen up fast. The 90-degree swivel head lets it weave around chair legs and furniture pretty gracefully, and that adjustable telescopic handle means you can tune the height for comfort or reach. On sealed hard floors, tile, and certain other compatible surfaces, it gives that just professionally cleaned look that's hard to get with the basic mop. What makes it especially appealing is versatility. Because it's designed as a 15-in-1 tool, you're not limited to just the floor. With the right attachments, you can bring that steam to things like bathroom surfaces, grout lines, and other stubborn spots that never look quite right with a simple wipe. If you're the person who does a serious deep clean once a week or once a month, this feels like the kind of tool you pull out and think, yeah, this was worth the money. 2. H2O Dual Buff Hard Floor Cleaner. It's lightweight at around 1.57 kilograms, so right away, your arms thank you. Underneath, you've got dual large microfiber pads spinning at around 140 to 160 RPM, scrubbing, lifting stains, and polishing as you go. There's this feeling of the mop gently pulling forward, like it wants to help you finish faster, rather than you dragging something dead and heavy across the floor. The runtime is about 20 to 25 minutes on a single charge, powered by a lithium-ion battery with a capacity around 1500 mAh. That's not the longest on this list, but it's enough for quick whole room or small home cleaning sessions. And because it's cordless, you're not playing that game of which outlet can I reach now, which always kills the cleaning mood. Noise stays under about 70 decibels, so it isn't screaming at you while you clean. What really stands out is how it treats your floors. The big microfiber pads are designed not just to clean, but to gently polish as they move, so you get that subtle shine on wood, tile, laminate, vinyl, ceramic, or even natural stone, as long as the surface is suitable. Finished floors come out looking refreshed instead of just less dirty. And once you're done, you toss the pads in the wash, and they're ready for another round next time. Now, here's where expectations matter. This is a hard floor cleaner and polisher, not a full-blown vacuum replacement. 1. BISSELL SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. This is the one that, once you've used it a few times, makes you kind of mad you ever wrestled with a regular mop. The core of it is simple. Dual spinning pads that do most of the work for you, plus an 18-volt lithium-ion battery that gives you up to about 20 minutes of solid, continuous cleaning time. That doesn't sound huge on paper, but in real life, it's enough to handle typical hard floor areas: kitchens, hallways, living rooms, and entryways. Because you're not scrubbing by hand, you cover ground way faster than you expect. The on-demand spray trigger is one of those little features that makes a big difference. You decide how much solution hits the floor and where. Sticky spill by the fridge? A couple of quick sprays. Just dust and light marks in the hallway? Barely any solution at all. That control means you're not over-soaking wood or leaving streaky puddles on tile. The 28-ounce tank gives you plenty of solution capacity without feeling bulky. Handling is excellent. You've got a swivel head, a 14-inch cleaning path, and a unit weight around 9.5 pounds, which feels substantial but not tiring. It's easy to guide around furniture, and the included pads are designed for both gentle everyday cleaning and tackling tougher spots, especially in homes with pets. And of course, a lot of people like that every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which is a nice bonus if you're already in the pet parent world.